how to create a Poshmark account. So if you want to create a Poshmark account, then first you need to open up your browser and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So go with your Google or your browser, anything that you are comfortable with, and go with the search. Once you enter the search, you need to search for Poshmark. Once you've searched, now here you will have Poshmark.com. Simply go with the first website that pops up and it will take you to the website or the page. Now you can continue with your Facebook or you can continue with your Google or Apple. So you can go with sign up, which will be on the upper right of your screen. And once you go with sign up, it will take you to the sign up page where you just need to simply enter your first and last name. So enter the name and go with email. So enter your email address and then enter the username. And after that, enter your password. Make sure to enter a strong password. And after that, select your gender and go with the states. So if you're in the United States, you can choose that, or go with Canada if you're in Canada. And once you've selected, if you have an invite code, then you can simply go with have an invite code and then you can enter the invite code. But if you don't have that, you can simply go with next. Once you enter all of the information, you can go with next, which is on the bottom. And after that, your account will be created. So that's how you can create your Poshmark account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.